Hello everyone. Welcome in St. Joseph English Medium School and I'm your math teacher Lubna. Today we will learn lesson number 5 pattern. Patterns. Patterns means you can see here in the pictures there are different kinds of design. Okay, we can call it as design also. Alright, so patterns means different kinds of designs. Alright, so what is the definition of pattern? Figures, shapes, when arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again, can create a pattern. Okay, so figure, shape, when arranged in a particular order. You can see in your home or if you go outside. Okay, if you wear dress, shirt, okay, your mummy's sari, on that different kind of patterns are there, designs are there. Okay, and those design will repeat full sari, correct? So what is the definition of pattern? Figures, shape, when arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again, can create a pattern. Pattern can be in saris, dresses, okay, bed sheet, and so we see patterns on clothes, bed sheet, sari, borders, garland. Sari, borders, and garland. Garland means हार बोलते हैं उसको. I don't know what it's called in Kannada, but garland. Okay, some examples are, you will get to know what is garland. So we see patterns on clothes, bed sheet, saris, border, and garland. See, this is called garlands. Okay, so maybe you have seen different kinds of garlands. Okay, in that some flowers are arranged like a green, then pink, then again little bit one line of green, then yellow, then green, then pink. So when we repeat again and again same pattern, it same design, it's called pattern. All right, so now see pattern on saris. Okay, you can see in first sari the lady wearing the sari which have triangle shaped design. Okay, the color of the triangles are different, right? So and the triangle are repeating. Okay, and it is becoming a pattern. Right, in second sari you can see that round flower shape. Okay, it is repeating and repeating and it becoming a pattern. And downside that elephant. Okay, once in one block elephant, then in next some bird or something is there. So if they are repeating one by one, it's becoming pattern like that. Now patterns in nature. Okay, in our surrounding there are different kinds of pattern. If you have cat in your home, you can see in on its body. Okay, some black patches are there, some white patches are there. There are different kinds of cat on their body. Okay, some black, white, or brown color, right? So they make different kinds of pattern. All right. In this slide, you can see here honeycomb. Honeycomb means that honeybee's house. Okay. See how they are, how they'll make their house. Correct. That round shape, that shape is repeating and repeating. It is become a pattern. Now next one also a pattern, and here you can see that cheetah, tiger, right? Yeah, cheetahs, right? See the patterns are there. Same pattern. Some are small, some are big. So they are making different kinds of patterns. Patterns on bedsheet. In your home also, your mom you use different kinds of bedsheet. So today you are going to observe that in your home the bedsheet you use on your bed. Okay, so see patterns. Okay, and do one thing, just click photos of those bedsheet and send it on my WhatsApp. Right, so see that flower, it's repeating 1 2 3 and it's becoming pattern, that round one and the square one, right? So What is the definition of pattern? Figure, shape when arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again can create a pattern. Let's go for the exercise, okay, which is there on the page number 92. The lesson is only of one page, okay, it's very easy. So what is the question? Observe and continue the following pattern, add equal numbers of shape. Okay, you have to observe the pattern and you have to draw same one. Okay, so first which shape it is? A1, it is triangle. Alright, so you have to, how many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 big triangles, and in between 1, 2, 3, 3 small triangles, right? So you have to draw first one big triangle, then again same size triangle, then one more triangle, and again one more triangle. So whenever you draw, just measure the triangle from your scale, okay, and same measurement, from same measurement you draw next answers. Alright, then B1, here 1, 2, 3 three shapes are there. First one is rhombus, small rhombus, big rhombus, line and circle. Okay, so first take use scale to draw. Okay, don't draw from direct from your hand, it will not good, it will not look good. So first draw small rhombus, then big one, then one line, then small circle, then one line, then small circle, then one line, and big ones and small rhombus. Okay, then here some lines are there, some are slipping line, slanting line. So first slipping line, then slanting line, one more slanting line, then slipping line, slanting line, slanting line, and then slipping line. Okay, then D1, which figure it is? It is square, right? So in the square, dots are there, so same dot we have to draw. First draw one square, then put one point there, small one, then second, how many dots? 1, 2, correct? Third square, how many dots? 1, 2 and 3. Fourth one, already one dot is there, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Last one square, in that one dot is there. Understood? Let's go for the next one. Here even, here which shape it is? Triangle. And in triangle small shadings are there, so we have to do same. First one triangle, second triangle with the shade upside, third triangle with the shade right side, and the fourth one shading on the left side and the normal triangle. Okay, here F1 flower it is. So first one dot, then one petal, then one dot, two petals, one dot and three petals, four dot and four petals, and one dot and one petal. Okay, and G1 envelope, envelope. Okay, so first draw one and shade and draw this one, second one left side, third square with the downside, fourth one right side, and last one upside. Okay, so it's very easy. You can observe surrounding. There are different kinds of leaf, they have also pattern. Okay, all leaves are not of same pattern. Alright, so your project work, you have to take some photos, okay, of different kinds of pattern in your home, in your surroundings, some trees, and you have to send me. So hope you all have understood this very easy lesson. So enjoy yourself and take good care of yourself. Thank you.